What's good, y'all? This your boy DCPRT. It's been a minute, man. I know, but I'm back at it. All the sports are suspended, so I can focus more on trading, putting content out and helping you guys out. My sports business is slow, so I can focus more on this. So, got a lot of questions. Y'all want me to do a small account challenge? Y'all want me to post more, so y'all can learn from all the newbies, and other traders? I will do that. This is day one of the small account challenge. I might as well do it. I didn't want to do it, but fuck it. I think it would be fun though. Let's see how this goes. I could fail. I could succeed. It doesn't matter. I have my main account. Starting off with $500, $533. I actually tripled my money today, and let's see how this goes. Y'all got what y'all asked for, more content now. I can focus more on this. Any questions, hit me up. If y'all have any questions about my sports business, I play DFS. If you play DraftKings, FanDuel, etc., y'all know what I'm talking about. Hit me up. We can link up on that. But let's get to it. I don't know the specific percentage of my return off this $500 account, but I know it's high, very high. I really don't have time to calculate. I'm not gonna calculate. Y'all can do that for me. But as y'all know, I doubled it. Starting off with $533, I made $1,359. That's very great for a first day. I traded 4 stocks. I traded BEEM, CODEX, MOZI, and THMO. So let's get into it. So starting off with the first stock at 9:46, I made my first trade on THMO. I had went long at 750. At 9:46. Right here, I was playing the long for the break of the VWAP, because a lot of times when stocks go under the VWAP and grind back up to it and break it, it usually takes off. So that's why I was playing. I said this thing is gonna break the VWAP. So I got in at 750. As y'all can see, it broke the VWAP. As soon as it broke it, I got in. 70 shares. That's all I could, trade with. I think they had a restriction on this stock. But 70 shares. It went all the way up to 822. It came down. I wanted more, but when it came down, I went ahead and got out because it could have been a fake breakout. As y'all can see, it was a fake breakout. So I got out at 787. Took my profit there and made $25.90. So that's what happened there. My favorite pattern is the gap up, squeeze, and fade play. Short, like squeeze, shorten into the pop. That's my favorite setup. But I will go long, I will go short. As y'all can see, I went long twice and went short 3 times. So we'll go from there. So next stock. MOZI, MOSY. Made a lot of money on this stock. I went short at 420. Way up here. Right here when I seen it was topping out. I added more shares when it popped up some more at 440. So I had 700 shares, and it ended up crashing. It was acting weird against this VWAP. I mean, as it should, because a lot of times when stocks come back down, they bounce off the VWAP. But the stock was looking very weak. But at the same time, the level 2 and the timing sales was looking very weird. So I went ahead and covered at $4, making $860. But I got back in later on in the day. I'll get back to that. but total $860 with multiple short trades. I will be talking about the other short trades when I come back. So I took that trade, made profit. I had no losers today. I traded I got 21 tickets. I got no losses on not one trade. So I covered that 4. Next trade was BMRA. Only 200 shares. Making 80 cents a share on that trade. A lot of opportunities today. Great opportunities. This stock just spiked. Spiked from hell. It was on the scanners. I seen it. Hold on for a second. Let me get right. Okay. I got short at 1080. 200 shares. Way up here. Once I seen it couldn't keep breaking out, and I ended up covering all the way down to $10. So that was a nice trade, man. 80 cents a share. You can't beat that. Next trade was MOZI. Made 10 cents there, short at 10.58. Let me see, 10.58. So I shorted 500 shares at 3.30. Shorted more at 3.20. And I shorted more at 3.10 when I seen it was breaking down. So I had 1,500 shares total. So it ended up crashing, and I covered on this counter right here at 276. Great trade right there. And then later on in the day, I ended up going long on this trade. Because this action right here, this manipulation. So once I seen this, plus MOZI was holding up very well. It was holding up very well. So when I see something like this not going down like this, somebody's trying to hold this up. It's holding up very well. And then I seen this action right here. I was like, oh shit, somebody really trying to spike this thing and get shorts up out of here. So when I seen that, I went long at 310 right here and ended up selling at 313 for a small gain, 3 cents. Making $30. I'll take that. And CODEX. I think this was my last trade. Made $284 on this trade right here. Had 700 shares total. I got in. I was bidding a position right here on this spike. Got squeezed a little bit, but I had a good cushion. So I was like, it's gonna get exhausted and it's gonna pull back hard, and that's exactly what it did. Even though I got in a little early, the profit I had allowed me to make that trade, even though it wasn't the best trade. But it was just so overextended. I knew it was due for a good pullback. It was just a matter of when it was going to do it. Now, if it would have just kept going, I would have got out. But my stop was like at probably like 380, because I think once it gets around like 380, it's just gonna go to 14 and probably more. But it stopped at 366. I was planning to 350. It came back and pulled back hard, and I ended up covering fast. Because this thing can spike back up, and y'all see it did. So I covered at 1302, made $284, and straight crushed it. I seen tons of challenges. I never seen somebody make this much money off the first day. Almost $1,400 off a $500 account. That's the possibility of trading. That's all I'm gonna say. This is the possibility of trading. It gets easier. I'm not gonna say trading is easy, but it can get easier as far as your experience. I'm 5 years in, so I didn't get profitable till about like 2-3 years. So it gonna take time, but treat it like school. I tell everybody to treat it like school. You go to school for 4 years, you don't make shit, but you start to make money once you get out of school. Once you get your diploma or your degree or whatever, you start making money after 4 years. But during those 4 years, you're studying. You're not making shit. You know, so you got to treat that the same way like trading. Your first, second, third, fourth year, you might not make shit. You might be losing money. Some traders learn in their first year and make money, but it took me a little longer. I know traders, it took them 5 years before they got profitable. Everybody's different and at their own pace, but at the end of the day, it's worth it. You're gonna make tons of money. I can guarantee you, a lot of people are not gonna make $1,300 at their job. Not even trading the whole day. I traded from 9:30 to like 11 o'clock. I took a nap. I woke back up at like 1:30 and went back trading and stopped. And the market is still going on right now. It's not even 4 o'clock yet. So in a short amount of time, I made almost $1,400. You can't do that at a 9 to 5. So that's why I love trading. You can travel anywhere and do this. All you need is a laptop and internet. And as y'all can see, with this coronavirus, people are sitting in their homes, don't have a job. You know, trading, it doesn't matter. You know what happens, as long as you got internet and a computer, you're gonna make money. So that's why I love trading. The coronavirus couldn't stop this. Now for the investors, it probably screwed up the investors, the 401ks and etc. But as far as a day trader, no, you can go long, short. You can make money when the stock go up or down. So shout out to everybody. I hope everybody had a nice day in trading, and support your boy. I will support y'all. And hit me up if y'all need anything. My Twitter is DCPRT1. And y'all just contact me if you need any help. And that's it for this video. Everybody have a great day. Peace.